Hey guys, today, let's learn how to recover deleted photos on your iPhone. So in the case that you have deleted your photos on your iPhone device, this is gonna be pretty easy because for new users who doesn't really know how to actually have something called a recently deleted album. So we can actually go ahead and access this. And here is also gonna be located all of the photos that you have recently deleted on your Photos application on your iPhone. So in order for us to access this, just go ahead and launch the Photos app. Scroll down to the very bottom, and over onto the Utilities tab, you have this option to access your recently deleted. So all we need to do is to basically tap on this album, view all of the photos that we have recently deleted, and it also go ahead and tap on those, and also restore some of them if you would like to. Now you also need to know that if, in the case that you have recently deleted an photo, this actually stays on your recently deleted album for only 30 days before it gets permanently deleted. So go ahead and look for your recently deleted album. If you like to go and recover some photos that you have recently deleted within 30 days, if you would still like to recover them. That is all for this video. Thank you for watching. Please like it and subscribe, and take care.